Let us begin with the function capitalize. It returns the copy of the string with its first letter in uppercase. Rest all alphabets will be converted to lowercase and all other characters will not be changed. For example, we'll take an input from the user and store its capitalized string in new s, and let us display this new string. We'll run this. We'll enter a string, say Python 3 is 1. You can see that the first alphabet is caps, rest all in lowercase, rest other thing like the digit 3 spaces, they are not changed to anything. Next we will discuss function isalnum. It returns true if the string contains only letters and digits. Otherwise returns false, means like spaces, special symbols, operators and all those. So let us take input from the user and just let's see what the function isalnum returns on this string. We'll see some different cases. Enter a string, suppose hello 1 2 3. The result is true, it has only letters and digits. If we say hello 1 2 3, a space is there, so it is false, space is not allowed. Similarly, if I say hello and say a semicolon, again a false. Next, similar to function isalnum, we have a function isalpha. It, as the name suggests, alphabets returns true if the string contains only letters. Otherwise, it will return a false. So let us have a check on these same strings to check for isalpha. If we take hello 1 2 3, it's false because digits are there. If we have just this, again a false because of this semicolon also. Suppose we have just hello, the result is true. Similarly, if we run it once again and check for space, the result is false. Spaces are also not allowed. Next, similar to function isalpha, we have a function isdigit, which returns true if the string contain only the digits or the numbers. Otherwise, it will return false. Let us just check the result for isdigit with different strings. Say 23.334, false because of a point or a dot. We have hello 1 2 3, false because of alphabets as well as space. We run it 12, 34, 45, again a false because of space. And if we have onto this, now it is true. Next, we'll discuss function isupper. It returns true if all the cased characters in the string are uppercase. Otherwise, it returns false. Let us take a string from the user and just check what it gives with function isupper. Say we enter a string all upper with some digits, some operator in between maybe. It's true because all the cased characters, they are all uppercase. Say if we have some lower cases also, then it is false. Similar to this, we even have a islower function, which returns true if all the cased characters in a string are lowercase. So let us check it for lower, islower, all lowercase with a semicolon in between, but no problem to it because it is not a cased character. So the answer is true for it. However, if we have some lower and some upper, then the result is false. Next, we'll discuss function upper. It returns the copy of the string which will be converted to uppercase, means all the lowercase characters will be changed to uppercase, all other characters will be left unchanged. So let us just print it in upper, taking input from the user and printing it in upper. Suppose we have hello, hi, 23. Please have a look. All the lowercase characters are changed to uppercase. Uppercase as it is, digits and all other things will be as it is. It returns a copy of the string. Please remember, all the functions which we are doing with strings, they will not or they cannot change the original string, as strings are immutable. It is returning a copy. So we may even store this in some different string variable, say s2, and then we just print this. We may have a look at the original string also. So suppose we have please see, s2 is all upper, hello all of you 3, whereas the original string s is the same which we have entered. Similar to this function upper, we have a function lower which returns the copy of the string converted to lowercase. So instead of upper, we use the lower. Let us see the same string, hello all of you 3. The result, the first output is of the new string. So hello all of you, all are in lower, 3 is there, and then the original string is as it is what we have typed. Next, we'll discuss function replace. It returns the copy of the string after replacing all the occurrences of the old string with given new string. For example, we'll take an input from the user and try to replace some occurrences. Suppose I want that all word hello to be replaced with hi, and I just print this string s. Now, this is one common mistake which many students do. Suppose we enter a string hello all, hello again, hello. We wanted to have all hellos replaced with hi, but unfortunately it will not change because I have already told strings are immutable. We cannot change the original string. It is returning the result, but we have not stored it in some variable. So suppose we take it in another string s2 and then print this s2, we'll get the change string. We may print this original string also, we'll see that. So now let us see hello all, hello again, hello. You'll see the first output, hi all, hi again, hi. All the words hello replaced with hi, and the original string will remain as it is. Next, we'll discuss function count. It returns the count of the string which we'll pass in an argument. Let us take the input from the string and find out the counting of a particular word or a string. Say we count the word hello in the given string. Let us type word hello 2-3 times. Hello all, hello again, hello. The output is 3. Hello is occurring 3 times. We may even say how many times, say particular alphabet, say L is occurring in it. So we'll enter that again. It's 8 times occurring. 1, 2, 3, 4 words in which 2 times L is coming. Fine. Suppose we count any particular alphabet which is not occurring at all, then what will happen? Simple, it will return 0. Say in this same string, the alphabet Z is not occurring at all, so result is 0.